Hammertime.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today I'm going to show you how to build these super sturdy potting benches. Let's get started. Alright guys, these turned out super nice. They are rock solid, super sturdy, and you could use them, like, you could build a house off of these. These are rock solid, like foundation grade. They're just made out of 2x4, so it's very simple to make. And I just used a miter saw, impact driver, and a cordless drill. I think that was it actually. Very low tools, low skill. Like, you could do this. This could be your first project. Super simple. Big thanks to Milwaukee for sending the 7 1/4 inch miter saw for review. And for this specific project, it worked awesome. And I also used their drill and impact driver set. These ones, this one here. These are super awesome. They're part of the 12 volt lineup, and they're super awesome. They work really great. I think they perform awesome even compared to like this 20 volt drill. I haven't noticed much of a difference. They have extreme power. That impact driver is amazing too, and it's light as a feather. And then the miter saw, super awesome. If you need a miter saw, check out this one for sure. I'll leave a link to it down in the video description, and I'll leave a link to Milwaukee in the video description as well. And big thanks to Milwaukee for supporting what I do. Alright guys, hope you liked the video, and until next time, happy building.